So look what we just got here. Unbelievable. Jet.com just sent me a free Lego set. And this is how it looks like, the whole Jet.com. Looks professional, and best of all, 2 days it took them to get this to me. So let's open it up. Unboxing. Gotta be careful with that. And I wanted to unbox this to show you it flashed from the factory and to show you how professional Jet.com is. So not only it took them 2 days to get this to me, look at this. It is well packed. The great thing about this is how much of those supplies I'll be able to reuse for my own stuff as well. This is just amazing. Technically speaking, none of those bubble packs are even required for what they shipped, because what it is just a Lego set. And since it's a Lego set, it could have been packed in 0 of those. But since I can use this for my own purpose, this is great. So what am I going to do with this, would be your question. Well, I could have shipped this directly to my client. Instead, I decided to do Lego Westing with this. So how do you do Lego Westing? Well, you simply are selling the parts instead of the whole thing. And you make more money by selling individual parts than you would actually be making selling the whole entire thing. Although this is not drop shipping, I did want to show you how well and how fast it was shipped. So 2 days it was shipped, and it is shipped in a very nice package, huge box, and you could ship this directly to your client. But the best thing about this is something I want to emphasize, is when you're going to be doing drop shipping, is the following. Guess what was not in the box? No invoice. I didn't even have to do a gift receipt here. I didn't ask for a gift receipt, but I didn't have to do it, which means that if you ship this to your client, they're not going to include a gift receipt in the box or any receipt whatsoever. Meaning, you don't even need to go through the step of asking for a gift receipt. You can just ship this directly to your client, knowing for sure that they're not going to know how much this set was, because so no gift receipt, no nothing, no identification anywhere in the box or on the side. Usually sometimes there is a place where on the side and there is a package where it says how much the item was actually worth. None of it is in here, which is great. So you can ship this directly to your client, knowing for sure that they are not going to know how much they paid for the item. Plus, the only thing that is the problem is that it says it comes from Jet.com. But that's not a big deal. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lecture. No gift receipt, no nothing, no identification.